Nalini to take a quick update. Nalini, what are you hearing as far as the movement within court is concerned?
Sneha, Mamta Banerjee has entered court number 1 where the hearing is all set to take place. Of course, the matter is going to come up according to the list. It's item 37 like I told you earlier. So it might be a while before the matter comes up. At 10:30 a.m. is when we are expecting for the 3-judge bench to assemble, and maybe within half an hour to 45 minutes, we can expect for item 37 to be taken up. All depends on how the bench today
That's
conducts
right.
its
Be with us.
proceedings in
Images
other
on our screen
cases.
at the very moment where Mamata Bandyopadhyay entered the apex court with a lot of security, as we can see in these pictures. Take a look at these images coming in of Mamata Banerjee there entering the apex court. Is what our reporters on the ground, Shreya Nalini, telling us at this point in time. Visuals are from the corridors of the apex court where she's entering court number 1 and walking through, and you can in fact see Mamata Banerjee in these pictures briefly coming in. We'll go back to that. It's a breaking news situation where image is live coming in of Mamata Banerjee there within the Supreme Court. Nalini, you were talking about this matter. I'm thinking that in any time now the arguments would begin.
Yes, Neha, like I was stating, 10:30 a.m. is when we are expecting for the bench to assemble, and shortly after that, the matter is expected to be taken up. It's item 37, so it depends on how the proceedings before that in the 36 cases go, as to how much time it takes. But it's going to be interesting to watch out for, because essentially this is the first time not only that we are seeing a sitting chief minister, but even in the entire SIR case, we are seeing Mamata Banerjee appear before the Supreme Court, seek permission to argue in person, and hope to place some arguments. A very important thing that is stated by Mamata Banerjee in her interim application, the application is to appear and argue in person in her petition that has been filed under Article 32 before the Supreme Court. But one interesting thing that she stated in her application is that she, as the Chief Minister, is aware of the ground realities, is aware of the concerns that people in West Bengal are actually facing due to the SIR process,
That's right.
the hurdles that have been
Be
created
with
by
us.
the
Coming
ECI.
back to you, Mamata Banerjee inside the lift at this point in time. These are images of the Chief Minister along with a battery of lawyers there. Mamata Banerjee taking this matter to the apex court, to the highest court of the land, to the Supreme Court. It's going to be a battle that's going to be seen play out politically on the streets of Bengal and also in the apex
Ma'am, would you
court.
be arguing before the court? Please, sir, please. Ma'am, would you be arguing before the court? Sir, please.
Would you be arguing before the court, is one of the reporters asking that question, to which we don't hear any reply as such. But this is in all likelihood is what we are hearing at this point in time. Images from the corridors of the apex court at this point in time. Mamata Banerjee there swiftly moving towards, in fact, the court number 1 right now inside a lift. Let's take a listen once again.
Ma'am, would you be arguing before the court? Please, sir, please. Ma'am, would you be arguing before the court? Sir, please.
Shreya is also with us for the very latest on that. Shreya, this is something that Mamata Banerjee, of course, the opposition has raised it, but when it comes to fighting on the streets, really, and taking this matter up aggressively, as far as the optics of this is concerned, extremely important in politics. Mamata Banerjee has been at the forefront, isn't it, Shreya?
Well, absolutely. That street fighter image, the image that she's been born into politics, that's something that's definitely not left her, because that's the USP that everyone knows Mamata Banerjee as. And, because in the Supreme Court, because this is a constitutional institution, what we will probably see is Mamata Banerjee pleading before the Chief Justice of India and mentioning that she's appearing as a person, not as a chief minister. In capacity of a normal person is what she's appearing, and she wants to mention her case against the entire SIR process. And there's been a proper development, a proper messaging from the TMC. Day one, they come in, they go to the Election Commission of India, and they take along 12 families. What is extremely interesting, there were people who were marked off as dead in the voter list, which was the draft voter list that was published by the ECI. Mamata Banerjee decides to turn up with these people, go to the Election Commission of India. She then says that we were humiliated, so I've boycotted the Election Commission. Day two, she addresses the media saying that I'm knocking every pillar of democracy. I've gone to the judiciary, now I've come before the media. And now third, on day three, is the judiciary where she's reached. So she's giving a very well-crafted image Now, this image, Sneha, is not only well crafted because of the fact that she is a street fighter. It's also because there's election in West Bengal, where she will be going to every district. She'll be making her speeches, her rallies, her campaigns. This 3-day imagery that's been created in the national capital will now be the broader backseat of that election campaign of the Trinamool Congress, because SIR across party lines has become a huge bone of contentions, more so because of the blanket hearings, the number of hearings that are taking place, and people across party lines have also raised the issue that this is something that is creating a problem on the ground. So she's made SIR into a political issue right now, and she's turned it against them. BJP maintains that, this is to drive away infiltrators, but she says that where are the Rohingyas? Where have you found them? So that is again something she mentioned in the press conference yesterday. And the other thing she says, that if SIR is a process, we have no problem with it. But what is the timing of it, and why is Assam not seeing an SIR? So that is the peg that Trinamool is using. Today, everything that appears and unravels in the Supreme Court, that's going to be the exact backdrop of the election campaign that the Trinamool Congress will lead to the 2026 Bengal Assembly elections.
With us, coming back to you again in a moment from now, Shreya Chatterjee and Nalini Sharma with the very latest. Listen in once again.
ममता बनर्जी कोर्ट में पहुंची।
दीदी कुछ कहेंगी?
Ma'am, would you like to say something? Ma'am, would you be arguing before the court?
Please, sir.
Ma'am, would you be arguing before the court?
Sir, please. कुछ बोला? ममता बनर्जी कोर्ट में पहुंची।
दीदी कुछ कहेंगी?
Ma'am, would you like to say something? Ma'am, would you be arguing before the court?
Please, sir.
Ma'am, would you be arguing before the court?
Sir, please.